Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to perform simple math calculation in Word. In Word, hidden calculator is available, but many people don't know how to use it. Today we will use this calculator. Let's see. Just go to the quick access toolbar. Here is a option more commands. In quick access toolbar there are 4 tools are available now. You can see here 4 tools. Now just go to the more commands and it will display 4 toolbar. If I click this option copy and add, it will show here. But I want to use calculate option here. Just go to this button and click all commands. All command will be displayed. Just click here and press C. Now you can see calculate option. Just click and add. It will display here and here. Now click OK button. Now you can see here a calculate option and it will show formula. Now type 4 plus 4. Now select this number and click calculate option. You can see here result of the calculation is 8. Result will be displayed in status bar. Just type 10 plus 4. Select the option, select the numbers and calculate. It will display the result 14. Now you can subtract as well. Just type minus sign and select the option and calculate. It will display the result 6. Now you can just type 25 divide and 5. Now just select the number and calculate. It will display the result 5. If you multiply, just type asterisk and select the number and press calculate. It will display the result 125. You can use simple calculation here by using this option. This is a hidden option. You can use it in your document by adding calculate option. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.